precious innocence stolen from the children. They need food and love, not guns and ammunition. Saw a broken heart, I tried to be kind. Said I was taught to hate. Said love is what you're made of. This child soldier forced to spill the blood of his brothers and sisters, of the ones he loved. What he once knew as family and home had been turned to blood-begging bone. I lay down by a river of tears, and I had mine. I'm wondering for how long shall they drink blood for wine? I lay down by a river of tears, and I had mine. Caught in the crossfire, children playing nearby. Out in the streets, heard the shots, heard them cry. Scatter everywhere, no time to ask why. Some say hell is far, I saw it on that day. Someone else's war, the millions are killed for by the foolishness of the very few. Innocence shot down, many children die. Shattered hopes and dreams, blood runs in the streets.